Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Balday here, and I want to talk to you about the distributive property. All right, let's pick up where we left off last week. When doing the distributive property, you know that you have to make one number into two smaller numbers. You need to break it apart. So here you can see I have the problem 4 times 5. I'm going to underline the number 5 because that's the number I want to break up. I'm going to break that number into 3 and 2 because I know that 3 plus 2 gives me 5. Now I'm going to distribute it to multiply by the 4. That written out would be 4 times 3, put that in parentheses, plus, I'm going to start over here with my 4 again, 4 times 2. Notice I still have my addition sign because that 3 adds to the 2 to give me the number 5. And all along this whole time, I'm multiplying 4 times 5, but I'm breaking the number 5 down into two smaller numbers that are more manageable for me. Now you can see here, I've already done that. I broke this up into 4 groups of 3. And this is 4 groups of 2. And if I were to count this out, I would get the answer 12. Then I still have to add. And when I count down here, I get the answer 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. So my product of 4 times 5 is 20. Let's go ahead and do another one using the exact same numbers. This time I'm going to break the number 5 into 4 plus 1 because I know that these two numbers combined give me a total of 5. So I'm going to do 4 times 4 and put that in my first parenthesis. And then I'm going to do 4 times 1. That goes in my second set of parentheses. What am I going to put here? Do you remember? Yep, a plus sign, because this 4 plus this 1 gives us 5. 4 times 4. Well, I have that tiled down here in an array for us. You can see I have 4 groups of 4. What is 4 groups of 4? 16. Great job. I have to remember to keep my addition sign. And now 4 times 1 is simply 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. Our product is 20. Again, 4 times 5 is 20. All right, now it's time for your practice. Go ahead, get on Class Link. Select McGraw-Hill. And then I want you to go to Chapter 9, Lesson 2. Okay? Then I want you to click on the ebook. And I want you to work today on page 507, 508. So that's going to be the example page here, as well as page 508. Can you see that? Now I want to give you a real good tip. Down here at the bottom, you will see tools, watch, that's got a nice video. You can even go here and ask an online tutor, although I've tried that and it's not as interactive as you might expect. So I wouldn't choose that. Instead, I would contact my teacher. And there's that game button so you can do Fact Dash again. So today, you're working on page 507, just over here on the practice. And then you're doing page 508. And that's all. Great job, boys and girls. And while I'm here, I'm going to tell you that tomorrow, you're going to go ahead and do page 509. I want you to do all of it tomorrow. That's going to be your activity. You won't be doing iReady because there is not a specific iReady lesson that aligns with this work tomorrow. So I want you to do page 509, and I want you to show your work. Choose a number. It can be the first number or the second number. Underline it and tell me what two smaller numbers it breaks down into. And I want you to show your work down here the same way that I showed my work over here. All right, boys and girls, have fun.